This video is sponsored by Kiwi Design.
I have been waiting for this thing for so long. This thing has taken weeks to arrive. Let's unbox it. It's a little bit smashed because it was delivered by USPS, shipped from China. It's a little bit crushed up, but that hopefully didn't damage anything on the inside. Here it is right here. I don't think it damaged anything. The manual. I think this is cleaning cloth. I'm not 100% sure what that is. Let's go into the main thing. So right here, this is all the padding, I guess. This is what loops through the top of the Quest right here, as you can see down there. I've been using this crappy little thing that I 3D printed, and I put like a little bit of padding down there, and I do not like it at all. My head always hurts after playing on this, and as you can see right there, it's coming off. So let's get rid of this piece of junk. Here's the actual frame of it, and already this looks high quality. That feels really nice. I'm going to attempt to put it on my Quest without reading the instruction. Pretty sure I know how it works. So you just pop these side things off. My Quest is still on, so if you hear beeping, that's why. Pop off this front plate, if I can get the top off. There we go. And right here is a little loop. You just get rid of this. There we go. Now we have a naked Quest. Yeah, I'm gonna read the instructions. So right here you got R and L, and you just snap this into here, just like that. That was very easy. Just hook that on. It's a little difficult to get it to stay on. There we go. You just slide this little piece through that thing down there. It's a little hard to see, but once you get it through, just pull it and you can tighten it or loosen it to your liking. Now we take the face cover and just snap it back inside. And I think that's it. So you can loosen it with this little knob in the back. So however big your head is, you can lift this up, put your face in it, and then lower it back down. Tighten it however you want. This feels really high quality. I think my neck pain is gonna go away. After I play for like 15 minutes, my neck always starts hurting. Now that I have this thing unboxed and on the headset, it actually looks really good and feels really nice. I went ahead and played a few rounds of Ghost of Tabor with this, and usually my neck starts to hurt really bad after playing it, but I played it for like an hour and my neck didn't hurt at all, and my neck usually starts to hurt after like 15 minutes. This thing is very easy to put on your head. All you have to do is loosen it by turning the knob to the left, place it on the front of your face, lower the back down, and then you just tighten the knob, and you can hear that clicking, and now that's not going anywhere. I can shake my head around all I want and it is not moving. You can have it as tight or as loose as you want. This can fit some very big heads. I don't know anybody's head that is that big, but it fits anybody. Like it hangs off the side of me. And it also, this is as tight as it can possibly go. I don't know anybody with that small of a head either. So this can fit pretty much anybody. This padding is extremely comfortable and you don't feel any hard plastic on the back of your head like you did with my little 3D printed strap. Also, once you have it on your head and tightened however much you want, you can loosen this right here and you can make it go more to the bottom of your neck if that's how you want it, or to the top or to the middle. I like to keep it right about here so it hooks on to like the back of my neck, and then put down the Velcro, tighten it however much you want, and that is not going anywhere. And when you're done, you don't have to loosen it or anything to take it off. All you have to do is just slide it off the back. It's as easy as that. It has these hinges on the side that can move up and down easily, so you don't have to move these really hard hinges on the actual Oculus itself. This material does not feel like it's gonna break. It's a little bit bendy, it's a little concerning, but I've been playing with it and it hasn't done anything at all. This plastic that hooks onto the arms of the Oculus, it's pretty strong. I don't think that's gonna crack. If I'm gonna be honest, whenever I first put this on, I wasn't sure how to get it to fit right on the back of my head. It didn't feel the best at first. It kind of hurt a little bit, but once I got it to the right, like once I adjusted everything right to how I like it, I didn't have any neck pain after playing it for like an hour. I'm gonna cut to some Ghost of Tabor with this thing to show you all of its capabilities. All right, now I'm in a different room and we're gonna test out how well it actually does during gaming. All right, I am in Ghost of Tabor and I'm going to give this thing a stress test and we'll see. Already, I am not feeling any stress on the back of my neck at all. I'm gonna grab a helmet, some armor, and this gun. You're shooting over here.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, almost bare naked run. Let's see what we can do. I suck at Ghost of Tabor. I'm already getting shot at. Somebody has been here and they are fighting right up there. Please don't kill me. What do we have? Oh, let's go. Oh god, okay, well I'm already out of that and oh, I'm one shot, okay. I don't want to get killed by a phoenix. Oh! Bro, how many bullets does it take to kill that guy? Oh god. I don't know how much range this gun has. Oh, friendly? Friendly? Are you friendly? Are you friendly? I don't think he's friendly. He goes. Oh, he's still there. Okay, I'm running the other direction. There is no other direction. Oh my god, I'm low. Oh, I'm completely out of ammo. No way I got out of that. Before I get killed. Please have a gun, please have a gun. No, 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 no. I need a gun, bro. Oh. Go back in. Oh, yes. What is this? Oh, I want that optic so bad. I'm gonna try and one-handed do the exfil. Let me out of here. I want to try out this sight so bad. I think this thing works very well. Like, I played that whole time and my neck doesn't even hurt. You can see how long I played because all these shapes are on my eyes. Overall, this padding is very comfortable while you're playing. You don't even notice that there's an Oculus on your head, really. And this turn knob is very easy and it has a really satisfying click. It's probably really loud. I really like the feature that it has another bend in it, because the default Quest strap, whenever you pull this down, whenever you try to get it to wrap around the bottom of your head, these things hit your ears and it really hurts after a while of playing it. I definitely recommend getting one of these. If I'm gonna be honest, I was gonna buy one of these before they even decided to sponsor me. So thank you a lot. That's about it for the play test, so back to past me for the outro. Overall, I would definitely recommend this. It's not super expensive. If I remember, it's around like $40 to $50. I would definitely buy this over the Elite Strap. I've seen a lot of pictures and videos of the side of the Oculus Elite Strap cracking. I have never seen one of these break before though. I want to give a big thank you to Kiwi Design for sponsoring this video and being my first ever sponsor. Thank you guys for sending me this headset strap. I'm going to use it forever. I don't think I'm ever going to replace this thing. The Kiwi Design website is going to be the first link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps me out a lot. Please turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.